What's the meaning of active? Active. 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 The term active can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In general, it can refer to someone or something that is engaged in physical or mental activity, or someone who takes initiative and is proactive in achieving their goals. In the field of chemistry, an active compound is a substance that has a biological effect. In finance, an active investment strategy involves buying and selling securities frequently to try to outperform the market. Ultimately, the meaning of active depends on its usage and the specific domain in which it is being applied.